That's some smart advice, as well as drinking a lot of water as we go through the next week, Dante.
I mean, I've already got a headache, and we're not even beginning to get to the point in which this has become a heat wave, and that's going to happen here very soon. We have not had a stretch of 90-degree or hotter weather in a long time. And what does that fuel? Well, that can fuel a couple of showers and thunderstorms. The biggest ones will be in the afternoon and evening, and they will help to relieve some of the problems of the heat, dropping the temperatures down a little bit, but not everybody's going to see them. The coverage is more scattered. The strong ones will be more localized. And we're talking about the potential for some of these storms to turn severe, especially in a hot, humid environment, just because of how unstable it is. What that means is the warm air wants to rise very fast, and it comes down to the ground at just the same speed, if not even faster. Gusty winds are possible with that rush of air in front of the thunderstorm, and they could be moving in some unusual directions from south to north, from west to east. We're going to see some strange stuff with this type of a pattern and how hot it is. These ridges, sometimes based on the positioning of them, you can get interesting thunderstorm complexes. Right now, though, we're starting to see the clouds increase to our south and west. We've got our heat ridge of high pressure up to the north, and we have a big storm of low pressure down into the Gulf. So you got moist flow coming off of that one, and then you've got another strong, hot flow of air right into West Virginia, and we're going to add some more moisture as we get into tomorrow, and that's why we're going to get into the 90s, to say the least. So it's going to be uncomfortable. We may see a pop-up shower or storm just into the overnight hours tonight, but the thing about it is the initial ones are going to struggle because there is a lot of dry air still at the ground. As that warm front passes through here, that's what's going to really moisten things up, per se. Sunshine already into the 80s by 9 o'clock. We could have a stray storm just north of town here in the early morning, and that would actually prevent some people from getting to 90. That would be a good thing, but not everybody's going to have that luxury. By the afternoon and evening, it will be uncomfortably humid no matter where you are, and you start to see those pop-up shower and storm chances around. Still, we're going to leave the chance for gusty winds there. Because it turns more humid after sunset, that would increase the shower and storm chances, especially into the southern coal fields once again. So into the 90s the next several days, what would it take to break this pattern up? I'll have the answer coming up in the full forecast.